Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 29th September 2022 and the time is 7:30 p.m. See, everybody there in panic because of Dow Jones fall, Nasdaq, and all the US markets fall. And we clearly made the video on 16th, 17th night rather, 17th night rather, saying that whether if Dow Jones made the top because it made the top on 16th, and I've explained why it made the top based on my fortune signals, and from there it started coming down, and it came down all the way to sixth low, and we gave a buy call, and we said very clearly, if it holds sixth low, possibility that it will take a U-turn. Again, it took the U-turn, and we put a one condition there. We put only one condition. If you want, you can go back and watch all my videos. I put one condition there based on 1 hour time frame, it has to give me a genuine buy. If that happens, then sixth low will be held. If not, again market will tank. This is what we said in the video, and we started covering Dow Jones from 17th onwards. Every day we started covering a little bit of Dow Jones in our daily forecast Nifty video. So you can go back and check on all that. And now it has broken that sixth low, and it went very near to the 52-week low, and somehow it managed a little bit and closed higher. And obviously 23rd is the very important day. When it made the top on 16th August, we came and said 19th August will be the very important trend change date for Dow Jones. And once it happened, the fall started. It was aggressive. It was aggressive on the downside. So now, yesterday was the very important day. You all know, for Nifty, Bank Nifty, for everything, Okay. So now, till it holds yesterday's low, there is a breather. Number one. Okay. Breaks below 23rd low, again the problem will escalate. But the breather will come. The breather will come once it closes above 23rd high. Once it closes above 23rd. Now I am talking only about the dates. I am not talking about anything on the technical. Okay, we will do that later. So once it closes about 23rd eye, we will get a breather. The same thing happens for Nifty, Bank Nifty, everything there, all. Okay. So now let's see how it is going to plan out from here in the next coming week. As of now, on the technical chart, it is looking bearish. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. And our Nifty and Bank Nifty is far good than all these things. So now let's go to the chart and see how it's shaping from here on. So if you go here, this is the video which we made on 18th August. Okay, so 18th August video means 17th night I will publish this. So clearly mentioned whether Dow made the top. Okay, and the top happened on 16th. So we waited for 1 day because we need the confirmation whether it is going to make a top on that day. We need 1 day confirmation, and the 1 day confirmation came, and we published the video. Okay, and we explained very clearly why we are saying it is top. Okay, again in the subsequent video we said, once it took the low on 6th here, when it gave a sell, we clearly said till it holds this day low, it will again move up only. These are all simple observation based on fortune signal. There is no rocket science here. Okay, so exactly it started going up from here. So after six, it started moving up from here. If you go to 1 hour, it is exactly went and gave after the sixth low. After the sixth low here, it exactly went and gave a fake buy in Dow Jones. And this is what we said, this is the condition has to be met. If after the genuine buy in 1 hour, if any candle would have closed here, then I will accept, it is turning on the upside. But if it is not going to give this 1 hour genuine buy, it will again collapse. And we decided this not on 12th. We talked about this 1 hour genuine buy on 10th itself. Kindly go back and watch my video. Okay. So since it is a fake buy, people know what is fake buy. So, and it is nothing but a trap. So everybody got trapped and started coming down. And it gave a sell, and after that it started breaching because it's already in sell only. Okay, it is just a trap. It's just a trap. So now on Dow Jones on a daily, last time when it came down all the way, it came exactly to the line, the support from the Shakti line. Okay, and from there it started moving up. And again, it went and gave a fake buy. What I showed you in 1 hour, it showed in 1 day. That is why we said whether it made the top here. It is the trap which was set for the people. This was the trap which was set for the people. Okay, and the trap was set here and it started coming down. And this time what happened? Yesterday, even since it is a very, very important day, it broke this pink color line. You see exactly how it took the support from the pink color line, and from there how it moved up. And yesterday it gave up, and yesterday was a very, very important day. So now where is the support? So if I open Pitchfork, if I open Pitchfork, it says the support is roughly around 28,903. 28,903, and this was the blocked area and rectangle area is the support zone. So it has not given up the deadline support. The deadline support, it is still holding. Okay, it is still holding. So based on Pitchfork, definitely on Ichimoku on daily friend it is bearish. Definitely on Ichimoku on daily friend it is bearish. Okay, so now where is the support? The support is at 38,332 or 38,323. You can keep it 38,323 to 37,186 will be the support level. But this is more than 1,500 points. But when it has to come down, and it has to come down and take the support here only. Kindly mark this: 28,323, 27,187. Okay. If the fall is ferocious again from here, the support is here. The support is here, and more or less the Pitchfork support also is coming here on this inside this area. Let's see whether it is going to take a support from here. But condition is it has to break this blue color line, which was the Pitchfork end line, and here it is still holding this rectangular line. So let's see whether it is going to bounce from here on the upside and breaks 23rd high, and whether it's going to go and touch this median line of Pitchfork. So as of now, looking weak, definitely no doubt about it. 23 high and low will be the criteria from here onwards, and the support is at these two numbers, these two black color line numbers. So now let's go to S&P. See, last time we covered S&P. We covered very detailed about S&P, Dow Jones, Nasdaq in a separate video. Okay, and we covered all this when it came on 21st June date. We covered all this, and it took the exact support from the Pitchfork. But once it takes the exact support from the Pitchfork, there are two resistance on the top. One is the green line, and second is the blue line. So what happened? It went and took this green color line, went up, exactly went and touched the top of the blue color line. So we can definitely predict this top based on what is happened in the past, based on Pitchfork. That's why I say Pitchfork is a much better tool than all your trend lines. Okay, I don't use trend line. I use Pitchfork. Okay, so it exactly went and touched this blue and started coming down. And again, this is based on fortune signals. Again, this is a fake buy. So again, it started coming down. Then it gave a sell. Now it is holding the pink color line. It is just a trap. This is the trap. People need to understand this. This is the trap. Okay. So now again, it came down all the way, and it has taken the monthly number also. It closed below, but we have another 4 days to go. Okay. So now it has taken the support of the pink color line and closed above. The condition again here it should close above 23rd high on or before this month closing to survive. The only problem is this time it has broken the Pitchfork line, which is this median line, this red color line, which is going on the cross diagonally. it has broken. Last time it took the exact support from the median line and went and touched the top pitchfork line, which is this blue color line, this one. But now once it broken this time, possibility that it will try to come and touch this green color line and this blue color line. Okay. Condition is 23rd high and low. 23rd high and low. If that happens before the expiry, then what happens if you go to monthly? Then this the thing which it went up, it will again nullify. It will again nullify. Even last time also it came and touched the blue, went up, went up, went up. This is the third time. Actually, fourth time based on fortune signal. So till it doesn't give this month low, June month low, this was very, very near and it is trying hard to take the support from here. So we have another 4 more days to go, 4 more days to go to see whether it is going to break close below June month low, or it is going to again go up and make this as a flat line to move up further. For each and for everything, the only key element is 23rd IN low. 23rd IN low. So now let's go to NASDAQ. So it has clearly closed below the pink color line. And last time also it closed below the pink color line, but again it went up, came down, touched the pink color line, and from there it was a rocking move. Again it was a fake buy. We will able to understand this. We are able to understand this. We said, okay, again top. This is again a trap for you. Come on, join the trap. Okay, so that's why we say this works even in 1 minute also. We are able to find the trap in 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 hour, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so now it closed below. Now, if you go to pitchfork analysis, the support lies somewhere in this rectangular area. The support lies somewhere in this rectangular area. And if you go to monthly, till it holds this month low, till it holds this month low, we call this as a magical candle. We call this as a magical candle. Why this is a magical candle? Once it broke this red color low, and if this candle low was held, market will fly. And that is what happened here. That is why we call this as a magical candle in fortune signals. People, those who work on fortune signals, they know why this is a magical candle. Okay, so till it is holding this low, let's see till it holds 11,043 point or 11,044. You can take it is still in breather, but break below this low, very, very big issue may come, and it will go and give a sell call also in monthly. But till now, if you see, the NASDAQ has given a buy in fortune signals in 2011. But till now, it has not given a sell. Till now, it has not given a sell on a monthly time frame. So we don't need to worry on a long-term perspective unless and until it holds this low, this month low, which is the June month low, and it gives a sell. So this is the trending system. Even though we faced COVID, we faced so many things in the last so many years, this has not given me a sell call. And I am not using any other technicals to see this. Just one click, I am able to understand this. Just one click, I am able to understand this. So people, those who are long-term investors, keep cool. No need to jump. No need to jump. And every time when it comes and touches the blue, it will go up again, went up. Even this time also, it came and touched, went up. But this candle broke, and that is why we call this as a magical candle. Unless and until it is not going to go below first June month low, we don't need to worry. But based on daily, 100% bearish. Based on weekly, 100% bearish. Now I'm talking only about the long term. Long term means don't talk about 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. Long term means long term. Please understand that. Okay. So till on the long term perspective, Nothing to worry. I covered the big video on Nifty on long-term perspective, on short-term perspective, on a medium-term perspective in a video. Kindly go back and check that video. Kindly go back and check that video. How we predicted the long-term, short-term, and the medium-term, and where Nifty was lying. And this covered 3 months before. This when market was in doldrum, when it was somewhere around 15,600 from 18,600, we covered that. We said nothing to worry. We said nothing to worry. And 15,183, we said buy. We said buy. And we gave the explanation also why we need to buy on that date. All videos are available. Okay. And many people close their eyes and they don't want to see all this, and they'll start commenting negatively. Anyway, God is there to do what it doesn't want, it wants to. Anyway, so till it is below, till it holds this June month low, we don't need to worry. Break below this. Once it gives the genuine sell, is something seriously wrong, we may heading for a recession. Till that time, whatever economists say that we are heading into recession, blah blah blah, I don't care a damn. I don't care a damn. Let them talk about recession, let them talk about inflation, let them talk about any nonsense. Based on my system, it is not showing it. It is not showing it. Let it give the sell and it become a genuine sell, then I will say that, okay, we are entering into a recession. Till that time, I'm not giving up on anything. Okay. But on a trading perspective, on a short-term perspective, everything is bearish. Everything is bearish on NASDAQ, S&P, Dow Jones, and all that. Okay. So now let's go to gold. See, we already covered gold in the previous, I think 2-3 weeks before. We already covered, I think when it was at on 4th June, I think on 4th September, I think we covered gold. The video is already there. Now it is nearing the support on the monthly, number one. On weekly, it is still bullish. It is still bullish. And the bullish came around when it was trading at 1298. 1298 until now. See, that is why we call this as a magical candle. That is why we call this as a magical candle. See how it worked. This candle closed below this red color line. This candle low is held, called magical candle. Again, this candle broke this low, held the low, magical candle. When the magical candle comes, the move will be phenomenal. The move will be phenomenal. And this is where we are able to catch the bottom. And we will say the bottom is done by now, based on few criteria. Okay. So now it is not from there. It is again, it came down, touched the blue, went up, again came down, touched the blue, went up. Again, this was not a magical candle. This was not a magical candle. But somehow it managed this thing. But whenever any candle breaks below the magical candle, it will go and face resistance on the red and blue. Any candle closes below this magical candle low, it will try to face resistance on the red and blue. And that is what it is happening. That is what it is happening. We understood everything very clearly. See, that is why I don't care. I don't use option strategies. I don't use trend line, all that blah, 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 blah. We understood in one click. We understood in one click. Okay. So now let's go to daily. Daily is already bearish. And whenever it goes, see, last time also it came exactly, touched the pink color line, went up, not able to cross this red color line and blue color line, again broke. Now it is here. So unless and until it is not going to go above 5th and 6th high, and I covered this already. 5th and 6th are the very, very important date for Dow Jones. Cross above 6th high, you buy. Kindly go back and watch that video. Till now, none of the candle is able to close above 6th high. None of the candle is about to close above 6th high. And from there, it started falling. But one thing is, tomorrow we have a very important date in gold. So watch out. And I've already marked the 5th and 6th high and low here. 5th and 6th high and low here. Break above 1727. It is definitely bullish. Okay. But tomorrow is the key. Tomorrow is the key for gold. Watch out. I think in that previous video, I would have covered this date also. Kindly go back and check that video. So 26th is the very important date for gold. And based on a monthly, the support is at 1606.5 to 1546. This is for monthly. This is for monthly. Okay, few gold merchants used to take my dates for gold. So the date is now given and previous date is already given, and the support level where if you want to buy, you can accumulate at this area for long term, because this is monthly. This is monthly. Understood? So that ends the matter, and there are a lot of dates which is happening here. So I've already marked all those dates. So whenever the date comes near, I will definitely help you out, and I will explain all these dates in the later point of my video. So now that's all for now on Dow Jones, Nasdaq, S&P, and gold. The next video is on Nifty and Bank Nifty. We have done a lot of analysis on the chart front. Maybe a little bit chart front I will touch. Just everything is numbers, always numbers to wonders. Okay, based on the chart, you cannot buy. You need to know where you need to put the stop loss. Correct. If you buy, yes, chart will say the support is here, resistance is here. Okay, where to go short, where to put the stop loss, where is the exact entry? Number knows everything. So we'll discuss only about numbers in the next video. Thanks a lot. I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. See you soon in the next video. Bye.